Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to share your Snappa designs on social media. Start by logging into your Snappa account. If you already have a design, go to your dashboard and open the design you want to share. Once you are happy with the design, click on Download button, which is located on the top right corner of the editor. Choose a preferred file format, JPG or PNG. If you plan to share on social media, it's recommended to use PNG for higher quality. Once the design is downloaded on your computer, save it in an easy to find location. After that, open the new tab or window in a browser and log in to social media platform where you want to share your design. On your chosen social media platform, create a new post and click on the photo upload button. Navigate to the location where you saved your Snappa design, select the file and upload it. Add a description, caption or any relevant hashtag to your post to make it more engaging. Consider adding hashtags relevant to your audience or topic to increase the visibility of your post. Once everything looks good, hit post, tweet or share or the equivalent button on your platform to share the design with your audience. By following these steps, you can easily share your Snappa design across various social media platforms. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.